Hey guys, Stan Dale, President Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, let's get into this. We got some really exciting news tonight. Just a lot of things going on. Just real quick, talk about this upcoming weekend. 3 cars and coffees this weekend, and autocross. Gulf Coast autocross is in session this Saturday and Sunday down in Fort Myers. Check it out on the links below, and or on our website. And come on out. A lot of fun. If you haven't been to one of the Gulf Coast autocrosses, you got to go out and see there. I know a lot of our folks will be out there. Hubert will be out there. A lot of other our folks will be out there. So come on and check out the autocross. 3 cars and coffees. So Saturday we're going to Sarasota at BMW Sarasota Cars and Coffee. So I'm going to be at that one. On Sunday we have the Gainesville Cars and Coffee. That's going on in Marybeth up there. And then we have also the Naples down at the Germain BMW, the South facility. We'll do that. I won't be at that Naples Cars and Coffee this week. I'm going to be doing some stuff up in South Carolina at the Performance Center this weekend. Several of us going up, so taking care of business there. But I've got some great news. And we're trying to get it launched on the website now. Carol and I are going back and trying to let me just make that real clear. She's trying to get it set up on our website, but we've been working on this thing for more than a year and a half. A wearables, an apparel link. So we have now a Florida Suncoast BMW apparel link on our website. It is a freestanding website buried in or linked into our website with all of our logos and clothes, ladies' clothes, guys' clothes, jackets, shirts, tees, sweatshirts, hoodies, you name it. It's all out there. So I will tell you, I've been on it, and I'll just shout out to Larry Cobb. Larry Cobb is our very first client. I promised him we'd give him a heads up to test it out, and he did that the other day. So thanks, Larry. Appreciate that. We did confirm your order went through. So get on out there if you want things. You can put them on the left chest. You can put them on the sleeve. You can put them wherever you want them on the shirt or a garment. If you're like me, when I order clothes, I want to make sure that I've measured right. So they have a really, what I would consider very accurate measuring process, so that you know what you order is what you're going to get. None of the proceeds come to Florida Suncoast. This is a bolt-on type of a thing, so we're not putting a lot of money out there for clothes. So read the fine print, read the details. There's not a lot of fine print, but read the details on what the order consists of, etc. You're dealing with a third-party company through our website. So, but we want to make this available to you. We're really excited. A lot of work, and I just let me just shout out to Carol. She has been working on this thing for more than a year, and just bless her. I'll tell you what, it's worn her patience a little thin every once in a while, but kudos to the vendor, kudos to Carol. We finally achieved this, and hopefully we can get some things ordered before we head off to the October Mountain Drive or to one of our next big events. I'll just shout out real quick to say, hey, tickets for the Daytona Drive-On are up. I think it's already loaded on the website. You need to get in and get that done. It's a 2-day thing for us. I think if you're questioning the ticket to get, it should be the Friday-Saturday ticket. And then we'll have the trailer there with the corral. We'll be cooking the whole 9 yards, tents and everything. So look at that. In just a week or two, the Sebring link will come up, and we'll go from there. If you're interested in racing at Daytona and or Sebring through HSR, contact me. Let me know. There's a link for that as well. And I think slots for whatever you're driving or want to race are filling up pretty fast. So you can still get in there, but you got to get in there pretty quick. Until then, I think there's a ton of things going on. Come on out and join us. Looking forward to this, watching all the growth and all the new things going on. So until I see you, or until we get to see you soon, happy motoring, y'all. See you now. Bye. Thanks.